Hello, ice cream friends. Today we're going to be talking about the assembly of the Stoelting CF101 custard freezer. It's something a little near and dear to my heart because I used to live in Wisconsin, and that's big custard land there. So we're just go over the assembly here. So, hand it over to my cameraman, and we'll get started. Apologize, I sound a little hoarse here. Starting to get a cold, so that's why I sound a little weird. First thing we're going to start with here is our Stoelting Spline Lubricant. This is only used on this part of the beater here, nowhere else in the machine. And we're just going to put a little bit on there. Just a small amount, about that much is good enough. We're just going to go ahead and spread that around on that. Again, only on this hex part of the beater. We got a little bit extra on there, and wipe that off. Okay, and then Stoelting recommends Petrol Gel Lubricant, and you can get this online or through ice cream machine distributors, or I believe even from Stoelting. Partstown is partstown.com is the website that they use for their parts, so I believe you can order it right through there. And we're going to put a little bit on this rear seal here, just inside there like that. And we're going to go ahead and just slide that right over there like that. Just wipe off any of that spline lubricant that you might end up getting in there. If you get a little bit on that O-ring, it's okay. No big deal. And then on the front of the beater, we have this bushing here. We're going to take that Petrol Gel again, and we're going to put some on the outside of it, because that actually rides in here on this faceplate right inside there. So we're going to put that around there. This is anywhere that you've got plastic to metal, you want to make sure that you're lubricating. So then we're just going to take a little that we put around the outside, wipe some of that off and put it on the inside, and then just slide that right onto the end of that beater shaft right there. Wipe off my fingers again. Put the caps back on these, and we're going to talk about putting the beater or auger. You can use both terms there. We're going to put that together here. So we take one of these springs, just a springy piece of metal there that sits on those two studs right there, like that. And then you hold one with the finger and put one like this on the other side, and put another one of your auger flights on there like that. And then we're going to take this and we're going to slide it into the barrel of the machine here. And we're going to let it sit just like that. And I'm going to grab the rest of my springs and my auger flights here. And then just pull back a little bit. And get that one. And then as you're putting these on, just continue to push the auger back into the barrel. And you've got 8 of these. So if you get all done and you still have one left over, you missed one, and you'll need to pull that auger back out and figure out which one you missed. Okay. That should be all of those. And then we're gonna turn that auger around, and it will slide back in, and you'll feel it connect with the gearbox there in the rear. So now we'll come over and grab our door or faceplate. Make sure you've got your O-ring in there, otherwise the machine will leak. And then that's going to go on like this. So with the mouth of it, you say down on the bottom. And then these two wing nuts right here. And we're just going to get those hand tight. And then the chute. There's another wing nut on the bottom of that door there. Let's just go like that. And then just tighten that up like that. And then the last thing we'll assemble here is our flow control. So this is gonna sit right down the hopper like that. One part goes there, the other part goes there, and then knob, you just turn the knob and make sure that it's turning the way it should. And then you just got your hopper lid here, and you're all assembled. That's it for the assembly of the Stoelting CF101 custard freezer. Have any other questions about frozen custard, ice cream, paletas, margaritas, any sort of frozen beverage or dessert? Contact us online at www.slicesconcession.com. Thanks, and have a sweet day.